Folks, I'm super stoked that MetaMask have released a significantly improved version of their mobile app, and what's improved is the chain switching experience. So let me quickly show you that using Bungee. So the big improvement is that I can now switch chains as I just did from Optimism to Base without having to switch back or confirm anything in MetaMask. So let's do a quick swap here for 3 USDC, or a cross-chain swap actually. And here you can see I just approved this. And now we can swap. And yeah, it's a pretty delightful experience. And the main thing, of course, is that I didn't have to switch networks at all in this process. And that used to be the case in the previous version. So yeah, stoked that the team have released this.